Title: Glint, a glimmer of beauty. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word glint. Glint is a noun that refers to a small, bright flash of light, often seen in a sparkling or reflective surface. It's a term that represents a fleeting moment of beauty and fascination. Pronunciation: pronouncing glint is simple glint, with a soft G and a short I. Use in a sentence. For example, the morning sun cast a gentle glint on the dew-covered grass, creating a picturesque and serene scene. Importance: glints remind us of the captivating moments of sparkle and brilliance that nature and our surroundings can offer, adding magic to our everyday experiences. Conclusion: in summary, glint is a word that signifies the charm of brief flashes of light and the beauty they bring to our world. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, appreciate the glints that brighten your day.